Hey there, ready to dive in? This activity will get you up and running with Remote Desktop Manager free in just 10 minutes. Yep, that's all you need to download it, install it, and get your first workspace ready. First things first, head over to the Devolutions website, navigate to the Products section, and click on Remote Desktop Manager. From there, you'll find the free Solo edition. Go ahead and click on Free Download, then select the platform, and you can either click on Download directly or manually select the installer file you want to download. If you're testing on a virtual machine or need something portable, there's a zip version too. You can run it without installing anything. This edition is built for solo IT pros like you. No team-based features, just a lean, secure, and powerful tool for remote access and credentials management. Once it's downloaded, launch the installer. It's a standard Windows setup. Just follow the prompts, choose typical, click install, and in a few minutes, you'll be ready to go. Now when RDM3 launches, you'll be prompted to choose your workspace. This is where your vault lives. So let's pick up the right one for your solo workflow. To keep things simple and offline for this course, we'll skip and use the default, SQLite. It's a local and secure workspace. No internet or server setup required. Now if you prefer the cloud, you can also connect to Devolutions Cloud, which is ideal if you're using RDM3 for work. And just like that, you're ready to roll. You've installed RDM3, pick your workspace, and laid the foundation for secure, organized, remote access. Want to change your workspace later? No problem. Just go to File, then Workspaces to switch or add a new one anytime. Next, let's take a quick tour of the interface so you know exactly where everything lives and how to start navigating like a pro.